Hey everyone, today we're going to explore an essential topic that can bring peace of mind and security to your golden years, which is understanding and accessing your long-term care insurance policy. To begin, it's essential to understand what long-term care insurance is. It's a type of insurance designed specifically to cover the costs of long-term care services, most of which traditional health insurance and Medicare does not cover. Long-term care can include caregiver assistance in your home, a nursing home, an assisted living facility, or an adult daycare center. The most common companies you will have purchased your long-term care insurance from would include Genworth, MetLife, John Hancock, Bankers Life, Transamerica, or State Farm. You should know the specific coverage of your policy, and some only cover nursing home care, while others cover a range of services, including home care. It's vital to read your policy and thoroughly consult your insurance agent to understand what's covered and what's not. Once you understand your policy's coverage, the next question is, how do you access it? The answer depends on the type of policy that you have. In order to claim benefits, most policies require a waiting or elimination period, which functions essentially like a deductible. This is how long you must pay for care services out of pocket before the insurance company starts to pay. This period is usually around 90 days, but policies vary. When the need for care arises, it's time to file a claim. And the claim includes getting a plan of care, usually from your doctor, and providing it to the insurance company. Some companies may also require an assessment of your cognitive and functional abilities to verify that you need assistance with daily activities. Remember, clear communication with your insurance company is critical. Don't hesitate to ask if there's anything that you don't understand. Understanding and accessing your long-term care insurance policy might be daunting, but remember, you're not alone. Apart from your insurance company, you can reach out to an elder care attorney, your financial planner, or give us a call here and we can point you in the right direction.